Justice delayed is justice denied. For decades, one of the biggest challenges in India's legal system has been procedural delays. Witnesses struggling to travel, long court days, and complex physical evidence handling. So, what exactly is Nyaya Shruti? Introduced under the BNSS Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha Sanhita, Nyaya Shruti refers to the formal legal framework that allows trial proceedings, witness testimonies, expert opinions, and evidence recording to happen via audio or video electronically. Instead of requiring every single witness, expert, or investigating officer to physically travel and appear in a courtroom, the law now recognizes virtual appearances through secure, verified electronic channels. This isn't just about convenience, it is about efficiency, safety, and speed. The practical impact of this provision on our criminal justice system is huge. First, it drastically cuts down on time delays. When a doctor, a forensic expert, or an out of station witness can testify virtually, cases don't get adjourned for months just waiting for physical presence. Second, it enhances witness protection. Vulnerable witnesses or victims can now give their statements in a safe, controlled environment without facing intimidation or psychological stress in a crowded courtroom. And third, it saves huge administrative costs and time for law enforcement agencies. Paired with the Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam, electronic records and video evidence now hold equal legal standing with traditional physical evidence. Every step, from recording statements electronically to storing digital logs, is designed to be transparent, secure, and tamper proof, ensuring that digital testimonies carry the full weight of the law. For young citizens and students across India, understanding these changes is essential. The modern Indian legal system is shifting from slow paper trails to fast, accessible, tech-enabled systems. Knowing how technology is being integrated into our courts help us appreciate how fast our institutions are evolving to protect citizens' rights. The introduction of Nyaya Shruti isn't just a legal update, it is a promise of fairer, faster, and more modern India where technology serves justice. As youth, being aware of our rights and laws empowers us to build a safer society. Let's spread awareness and embrace the future of modern justice in India.